Alright, y'all, so today I'm going to show you exactly how to charge the system in the heating mode. So first we need to check to make sure we need the air refrigerant. So right now it's at about 90 and about 300. So let's check our heating chart, which is on almost every heat pipe. Alright, so we have a CFM at 875. So we right here. Outdoor temperature is about 44, so between these numbers it at least should be. And the indoor is about 70. So on our low side should be between 91 109, more on the 100 side. 311 between 366, because you see low, high. So it should be at least 100, and it should be at least 320. And so when we look, we at about 90, 305. So we know we need the air refrigerant. Alright, so first what you do, since we're in the heat mode, you take your suction line, hook it up to your true suction line. Then what you do is take your high side and you hook it up to the regular suction line, the bigger diameter one. Alright, then we flip our R410a tank upside down. And then we check how many we're going to put in with the scale. This is how you air refrigerate. You just gotta turn this. So let's the thing rise up. You might want to keep it on for 7 seconds. Then you take it off for about 7 seconds, just so it can equalize. So we're at about 95. So we almost there. We almost at 320 over there. Another sign. You see the if you see the liquid line freezing and it's in heat mode, you know you might have to air refrigerant. So what I'm gonna do is gonna add it till I get about 100, 105, and when I get about 320, so I know. Just like that. So you air refrigerant and heat mode. Alright guys, see you next time.